Good morning. So here I have my Beltline Bachmann DCC train. It's just running in DC mode at the moment. Um, there's my Tech 2. So I just threw this together, this small oval. It's 4x6. It is underneath of my O gauge, which I've been playing around with and learning. But I figured since we're going to be in quarantine at least another 30 more days per New Jersey governor, I figured let's throw the HO up under here. I am going to clean out over there and hopefully extend it. But just want to show you something. So if I sit here and go right, so in DCC, you see this train runs. My Schlitz is the only car I have that has the same coupler. So, but you see, train runs. That's full speed. No dips, no surges, no nothing. I'll wait till it comes around. Alright. See, even slow control works fine. No issues. So, track seems to be pretty good. So let's go ahead and move over to my other train. Alright. So, I know the Tyco. I know people call Tyco junk. See how it's surging here and there? See, that was not me. It just surged on its own. So, I'm going to assume hopefully it's just cleaning it. Definitely moves. That's definitely not an issue. You hear it? So, let me know your thoughts on what you think it could be. I don't know how to open it up yet. Definitely want to figure out how to open it. And yes, trains don't go that fast in real life. It's not scale speed, I know. It does cruise though. Yeah, like I said, I gotta figure out how to open it up next and oil it up and hope that takes care of it.